Oh my God. To a very special person, I want to wish you a happy birthday. You're one of my dear friends, and I really want to say you've always been there for me through thick and thin, even in that little red. Wait, who is this for?
Gusty! Gusty wins! Gusty!
Gusty who?
Gusty wins!
Is that the one that looks like Sweetie?
Yes!
Oh.
She's the funny one!
Oh, Sweetie's the funny one, that's right.
Yeah.
To Gusty wins. How awkward that was. I want to wish you a happy birthday, and I love you, sweet Gusty. We love you. Happy birthday.